Hi, I'm Ashley Hunsberger.
I'm Lisa Crispin. These days, we see more and more teams moving towards continuous delivery, or at least delivering smaller batches of changes to production more frequently. And we see so much go wrong. We even hear about testers who are told by their management, we're moving to continuous delivery now, so test really fast. So we've designed a tutorial for testing and quality specialists who want to help their teams move towards more frequent production deploys and who want to enjoy the process and feel productive instead of just feeling all stressed out. So we'll have hands-on exercises in small groups. You'll learn the language of DevOps so you can communicate with everyone involved, including site reliability engineers, platform engineers, and others. You'll practice ways to engage your whole team in building an effective testing strategy that enables continuous delivery using the holistic testing model.
Now, these exercises are super fun, and they're a simulation built around realistic case studies, and no laptops are required. We want you to learn the concepts. You'll use practices like mind mapping and paper prototype testing to mitigate risks and focus on value to customers. We'll introduce visual techniques to analyze and optimize your team's deployment workflows. For example, you'll learn a pipeline exercise to help identify bottlenecks and shorten cycle time. You'll try out the test suite Canvas to drive productive conversations around test automation coverage and responding to your pipeline failures. Most importantly, you'll learn how to design small experiments that help your team continuously improve and achieve continuous delivery without sacrificing quality. So we hope you will join our tutorial, holistic testing, continuous delivery, and you this November.
Be sure to contact us for a discount code that you can use to register. And you can find us on the Agile TD Zone Slack or on LinkedIn.
See you in
See you
November.
there.